Well, today I'm recording on my phone for one thing, so pardon if the sound's not as good. So today we're going to be looking at a Blake 7 model kit, and this is a little 3D Federation Trooper that my wife found on Thingiverse. It was a free file, so we downloaded it, printed it on our 3D printer, and it came out rather nicely. So you get it's a sort of Star Wars figure size, so you get a little trooper head. I might print another one of these heads and change the mask slightly, because I think the mask's a little bit short. You shouldn't see the trooper's chin underneath the mask, and with looking straight on, he does look like a Disney character, like Goofy. So I might change that. The eyes are a bit narrow as well, but it's nice. So I'm going to make one as is, and then probably make another one and modify it. The rest of the body is pretty good. So he's in his Belstaff suit. The detail is pretty good. I don't know whether whoever made this like 3D scanned Action Force figure or something like that. If they designed it themselves, well done. There was no gun with it. Come on, focus. There you go. There was no gun with it, so I might have a go at doing the gun. And you can see there's a few bobbles, which I'm going to sand off. It's probably going to be quite a quick video, this, because painting on this is going to be pretty much spraying it black and then picking out some in gloss, some in matte, and some in satin, with a bit of green on the helmet. And I might do the boots, because the original Derry boots I think were brown, not black, although they're not Derry boots, they're sort of jackboot almost. So first job is going to be sanding bits on it, and then we can go outside and give it a spray. Okay, so I sprayed them. It's meant to be matte black, but it did come out a bit satiny, which is alright, because that's sort of what the Belstaffs would do. They are, pardon me, quite shiny. So what I'm going to do now is push it all together. I don't even think I'm going to need glue, so let me do that and then we'll have a look. Okay, so you push together. I think I probably will glue him once I've painted him, because he is a little bit loose, but yeah, so he works quite well as a figure. So what I'm going to do now is pick out, I mean, he hasn't got a lot of colour on him, so I'm going to pick out some like cross belts, paint his badge on, paint that in white and then green, paint the eyes in probably white and then red, bit of dry brushing. But he's not looking bad, is he? Whoever designed this, well done. I'm going to do that now. Okay, I've finished painting him. Yeah, I think he came out rather nicely. Like I say, I might re-sculpt the head a bit or redo it. But yeah, he clipped together well. I made him a gun as well, so I just went into fusion. Come on, went into fusion and just knocked up a quick gun. I'll put the file for the gun on my Patreon, so if you do download the figure and do it and can't find a gun anywhere. So yeah, I think he looks pretty dang neat. Just for comparison, this is obviously one of the old Action Force figures, and he's about the same size, and he looks very similar, so I don't know whether that's what was used to sort of, not this particular one, but he's very, very Action Force-y. You can zoom in. So the head looks pretty good. The green came out okay. I might redo the badge. I'm not as good at the moment as I've got suffer from a thing called trigger finger. I've got it on both hands at the moment, so I can't really move my fingers that much, so it's really difficult to paint at the moment. I'm waiting for the dear old NHS to jab me with steroids and stuff. So yeah, I might redo another one, and I'm going to send one to my friend Eric, who actually he does the Blake 7 in Character podcast with me, and he also has a full uniform for this, so I'm going to call this figure Eric. So there's Eric. Eric the Half-a-Guard. He's a little bit loosey-goosey, That's probably because I should have tidied up the hole in his body that clips him together. But to be fair, whoever did this, it's brilliant work. It does show that with these 3D resin printers you can make your own figure line, and these would be really easy to sort of mass produce. I don't know why they don't. I mean, literally can of rattle, black, some gloss and a couple of colours, and away you go, and then you can have your own goose stepping fascist. Yeah, so a little quick video, just a bit of fun, but thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you can. Go to our Patreon if you want to get the gun print, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks then, bye.